So definitely I could have gone a lot better in some places, but it has improved in other places, such as going from B flat major to B major has gotten a lot better. But the thing that I messed up on today was going from E flat major to E major and then E major to F major. So I'm gonna go ahead and start over at C major and work my way up again. And I'm gonna focus more this time on my hand coordination when I get to E major. I was definitely a lot better in E major and F major, but I did screw up going to B major, which is something that I'm still getting used to it, but it's definitely a lot better from when I used to have to play it. That's definitely gotten a lot better. So I'm gonna go ahead now and just work on Prairie Sunset. And the thing that I'm working on at this current time is just getting a melodic flow through it. One of the problems that I have is just I'm pecking at the keys, and I want to be able to work on just like getting a flow through it, and also incorporating the pedal, because I'm a person that has never tapped my foot when it comes to playing my instrument. So this is, using the pedal is very interesting for me. So we're gonna see how this goes. I'm gonna start from the beginning and just go to about measure 16, because for this time I'm just gonna be focusing on the pedal and not I'm going to be focusing on the pedal and the melodic movement of the piece. So I'm just going to go ahead and run through it. I have to start on the right notes first. So definitely going from that first thing, I am working on right now making it more as one phrase rather than just block chord, block chord. I'm trying to focus on getting it so that it's just 4 measures of one connecting phrase, or just the 2 measures of the connecting phrase with the ties into it. And it definitely got a lot better using the pedal in it, and I'm going to try again and just focusing on this time getting it more connected through 2 and 4 measures. That one was definitely a lot better. It was more connected in the beginning, I felt, and I'm going to go ahead and tie that into measure 35 to the end, and I'm actually sight reading this part, and I apologize if I mess up the notes. I'm not used to reading treble clef that high. I am not a flute player, so I stick to the bass clef. So I'm just going to be going from measure 35 to the end, incorporating what I have used at the beginning and the end, which is similar. that is definitely gonna be a little task for me to work on. For me, looking at it for the first time, it was looking at octave placement for some of the notes and just trying to figure out what notes they are. Once they get in the upper octaves, such as when we have the grace notes up into the, I believe that's a high E flat, and then the B flat up to the F, which I got it that time. I was impressed with myself for being able to read that high for the first time. I'm gonna go ahead and do it one more time though, starting back at measure 35.